influence more people in positions of authority to become my sponsors and advocate towards my professional development and career growth? And part two to this question is, how can women leverage their strengths and get noticed or taken seriously in decision making in an organization where the top leadership is all male?
So actually the answer to both of these questions is the same. You know, I'm currently working with a big corporate, and I'm dealing with positions that are very senior, and this applies to women at all levels. I wish I had done more of what I'm going to say now, as a young executive, as I was going through my career at different stages. The one thing that we women must certainly do, and actually this is not just about women, this is about men and women, but we women must be more careful of, is that if we have to be taken seriously, there is no shortcut than to be really good at what you do, which is, there is just no shortcut to that. You have to know your stuff. You have to know, if possible, the most in the room. You must be well versed. If, for example, you get into a meeting, which are most any sort of a forum where you know you're going to get a larger visibility, where there will be many other people who are going to be looking at you as, what is your capability like. Over there, number one, have the courage to speak. Now, you will only have the courage to speak if you know your stuff, because confidence also comes from knowing your stuff. So be well prepared. Know that if I have to make an impression, then I must go in well prepared. Do I know who are the people who are going to be attending this meeting? Have I already done my homework as to even find out what might be the concerns of the different people around the table? Will I be able to answer the questions of the different stakeholders? So for example, I know my finance head is going to be sitting at the table. I know my CEO is going to be sitting at the table. My supply chain head is going to be sitting at the table. Each one of them comes with a different perspective, because each one comes with, this is what my agenda is. The fact is, every functional head has his own agenda. You've got to be prepared to make sure that you are answering each one of their questions or their silent questions when you speak. So have the confidence to speak. A, speak up. B, have the confidence to speak. And C, which is actually most important, is make sure you're well prepared. When you are well prepared, then you will be taken seriously. Because whoever is to sponsor you, it's not about you. It's actually a reflection of them. When somebody picks you to wish to sponsor you, if somebody were to even say in a public forum, oh, Vani is a great resource, have a check with her, or Vani will know about this, he's actually also making a statement about what he himself is like. So you have to make sure that when somebody else speaks of you, they have to come out looking good. For that, you have to equip them and equip the entire team with adequate data, so that when somebody sponsors you, they come out looking good.
Absolutely.
There is no shortcut to preparing well in advance. And like I always used to tell my juniors, in my team at Pepsi, make sure you have a seat at the table. There were several forums in large organizations. Typically, there are several meetings where there are 20, 30 people in a room. It's not the most effective. But when there are meetings like that and conference rooms get very crowded, make sure that you are there in advance. Make sure that you're not the last person to enter the room. Make sure you're well turned out, you're presentable, you're feeling confident about yourself. You walk in advance, like all of you have come in on time. You've come in on time for this webinar because this matters to you. So when you walk in for a meeting on time, it shows what sort of an attitude you have. And then make sure that you get a seat at the table. Don't be amongst those who are standing around at the back. Make sure you have a seat irrespective of your seniority. When you have a seat at the table, then you feel more confident to be able to speak up as well. And then make sure that whatever you're saying, the point lands. Speak with confidence.